Okay, some municipalities will have a box of what I'm going to do here. These were supplied by City Hamilton Housing or vice versa. I'm going to open these right now, be handed out at many places in Hamilton for people in isolation. But right now, because they're winding a lot of programs down, a lot of these services now are going to be that. So I'm going to do open one of these and then show you what you're going to get in one of these. Box lunches, so on YouTube. So here, unboxing, Goodwill Amnesty Industry. Box lunch handed out to many people who have that. And here's what you're gonna get. You get a nice piece of sandwich and a pretty nice looking cookie, a serviette, and some orange julius here. Oh, huh? That's what you're gonna get in these box, and an apple, of course. And there's a cookie, and this. This is what you will receive in a box lunch. Remember, these are not really only available. I know available to City Housing tenant. I can phone, get one ordered up, all that. But I don't think I want to do that because people say they like them, but they don't like them anyway. Anyway, blog over.